we divide 601 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 12 is 60. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 1 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 601 divided by 5 is 120 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.